we just slide tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Thursday. Ooh, Lord, what a day. Anyways, I know I wasn't gonna film today, but you have a job to do. I have a job to do. I actually have a contract. So we have a PR video for you guys right now. Octoly, I love them so much, and we're about to talk about them because there is some new news. But first, I just want to remind everybody, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, ding, ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a 2021 giveaway going on. Definitely make sure you are subscribed. And make sure you are following me on my social media on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100. Make sure you give the videos a big thumbs up. And I will leave the link in the description box below to show you how to enter to win. Let's get into some Octoly PR. Okay, so Octoly, I talk about them all the time because I'm with them. I've been with this company now for almost 3 years. They're so amazing, especially if you're an influencer. And if you want to try, if they decline the first time, just keep trying. 4th time was my charm. So basically, it's like, it's a PR, and you pick your own products. You go into their little shopping, they give you 5 tokens, and you go in their little shop, and you pick whatever you want. Now, some brands might not accept you, and some brands might not. Ofra actually did not accept me at first, and now I am affiliated with Ofra. Merci, which is one of mine today. We did not work together at first, and now here we are. So just keep on trying different brands, and who knows, maybe you'll get it. So I highly recommend Octoly. Like I said, I will leave their link in the description box below if you would like to sign up. But right now, I have 2 brands that we're going to talk about. So Merci Handy, this is like my 5th time working with them. I love them so much. They sent this to me complimentary from them, and we're going to talk about this. This is the Merci Handy Slime Unicorn Jelly. I know that sounds crazy. Like, Samantha, are you playing with jelly? No, this is a shower jelly, and it is so cool. Let me just tell you now, okay? So cool. So this is only $15, and I will leave the link if you would like to get it for you or a tween. I really think this is more for like tweens, but hey, I'm Peter Pan's daughter. I'm never gonna grow up. So therefore, this is amazing. So it smells amazing, and basically this is what you do. I recommend, like, if you have like a sultry night with your boo or going out in the town, something that you want to get glittery. And the reason I say that is because this whole thing in here is glitter. Can you guys see it? So basically what you're doing is, after you wash your body, you put this on the body part that your stomach or your right here, my décolletage. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the cleavage area, okay? I put it on right here, and then I like putting it like on my thighs if I wear like a dress. And this stuff makes you sparkle, sparkle, shine, baby. It smells so good, and you're just leaving your body feeling so refreshed. It's actually a stress reliever as well. And like I said, I highly recommend it for only $15. So if you can't find it on the Merci website, you can also get it at Ulta. So I will make sure that I will leave like I said, the link if you would like to get this for you or even like a tween daughter. And Valentine's Day is coming up. So my boos, my boys, my mens that are watching this, get your girls some of this stuff and have them sparkling, shining for ya. But yeah, it just says, in the shower, dip your fingers into this magical anti-stress texture and take a small amount of jelly the size of a special nut. I honestly did my fingers, and I just, so it's your preference. Okay, and then it says, let the glitter jelly melt and foam on your skin while singing a hit from the 90s. If you want to be my lover, you got to get with my friends. So sing a hit from the 90s, and then rinse in order to complete your interstellar journey. Look like a magical, sexy unicorn when you're done. So that is the first thing. This thing is amazing, and like I said, $15, you can't beat it. Now, the next one I'm going to talk about, okay, the next one is D'Alba, okay? I've never worked with them before, and these were actually sent to me complimentary from them, And these are white truffle skin calming serums. And then we have also the first spray serum. So these are actually not that expensive. These are only $19 to $26. It just depends. But right now, because it's almost Valentine's Day, if you get it, you will receive a free headband as well. So I will leave the link to that in the description box below. But these are absolutely amazing, especially the white truffle. Feels so good on your face, especially like if your face is red or something. Like today, my face is a little red. I'm not feeling the best today. So today would be a perfect day to use this. But I also like using stuff that's cooling as well. So that's what I like about these, because you could put these in your fridge and then they'll be nice and cool. So we're going to talk a little bit what each box does, which each spray does. And yeah. Okay, so like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below if you would like to get it. So here it says, achieving youthful supple skin has never been easier. Packed with extracts with white truffle, essentially a serum spray protecting the skin's natural barrier with chai seeds extracts, targets blemishes and eliminates them. It's for anti-aging, wrinkle, hydration, dryness, and brightening. I love anything that has like a brightening serum to it. It says, no wonder D'Alba White Truffle Spray is the first serum, a cult classic among the Korean beauty enthusiasts. It's a powerful all-in-one product that solves drying, aging, or irritated skin. Plus, it's free of parabens, sulfates, artificial colors, and is vegan and cruelty-free. So I highly recommend this, especially this one. This is, like I said, this is the white truffle one, and this one is absolutely amazing. I really like this a lot. Okay, so here it is right here, and it just looks like this, and it has a nice pump, has a good pump, and yeah, and this smells like white truffle. Oh my gosh, amazing. Then the other one, okay, it's a little bit different, but I'm going to explain. And like I said, if you guys are interested, you get your first one, okay? First, you would get this for $19.90, and you would receive the headband for free. And this headband is not cheap. Okay, this is a nice headband. I highly recommend. It's like a terry cloth. I love anything terry cloth because it feels so good against our skin. Look at this. Ooh, hurt me. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it's so soft. Oh my goodness. Why, yeah. Clearly, that's not how that goes. But y'all know what I'm talking about. You know, to be able to do your makeup and do your skincare routine. And this is, oh my God, feels so good. Okay. So then the other one is about the same. It's a little bit about the same. But the thing with this one is that it's the potency of it. There is a strong scent to this one. That's the only thing I don't like. But I told you guys, I wouldn't steer you wrong in something. Like, if it's not worth it, I'm not going to tell you to get it. I would still tell you, if you're trying to find something that's going to take your wrinkles away, to be able to work on your hydration of your skin, this is good as well. Okay. So I kind of got the two confused, but now we're back on the white track. So the first spray, this one is packed from Italy. This one's from Italy to promote skin cell renewal and brightening chai seed extracts to soothe inflammation. So any redness to your skin, rosacea, eczema, this is fantastic for it. Plus, it's for combination skin, all skin types, dry, oily, both. I love that. And then it says here, calm blemishes, and deeply moisturize and protect the skin's barrier to spray on an all-in-one skincare product. Y'all know I'm lazy sometimes, so this is great for it. And to prevent signs of aging, dryness, and blocked pores. So this one does not take care of blocked pores. This one does. And like I said, I'm very happy for D'Alba for sending this to me. I don't normally use serums, but I have used the white truffle one, and I really like it. I really do. I have absolutely no makeup on right now, guys. No makeup, no concealer, no blush, there's nothing on my face right now. I actually think that my face is actually, it's glowing. It's glowing. It looks very healthy. It looks very natural. The only thing I'm worried about right now is these dang eyebrows, honey, because they speaking to me. But I have to wait. But right now, I think with my skincare routine, which I promise I will be posting for you guys, especially this weekend, My skincare routine, I think, has turned out wonderful for me. I don't recommend using many different products. In my case, being an influencer or YouTuber, I have to try different products. And that's actually a good thing sometimes, because then you can see what works for you and what doesn't. And this actually really does work for me. The brightening factor, I can tell. I can definitely tell. There's nothing on my face right now. And I love it. I feel absolutely gorgeous. So again, I highly recommend these products. I have to do some editing with this video, girl. But this right here is my favorite. Hands down, I have to recommend. Only $15 to be looking like a shiny mermaid unicorn. Get it, get it, get it. As far as these, I like the white truffle one. If you want to get both, like I said, I'm leaving the link to these, and there's a discount going on right now because it is Valentine's Day. And again, I just want to thank D'Alba and Merci Handy for sending these to me, for me to be able to do this video complimentary, and I truly do appreciate working with you guys. All right, guys, I will see you on my next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.
Tonight, you know